In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create nested menus in Tkinter. A nested menu is when we have a menu within another menu. With the technique we're going to learn in this tutorial, you'll be able to create as many nested menus as you want. You'll be able to nest a menu within a menu and then nest another menu within that menu, all right, and so on. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's begin. We'll start off by creating a simple menu. It'll be a good refresher for those of you who already know how to, and for those of you who don't, you'll learn everything about menus from the very basics. Okay, so I'm going to create a menu over here, and now it needs to be added, okay, into our window, like this. Menu is equal to main menu, and master basically is root, our Tkinter application over here, okay? Now we're going to basically create a menu, okay? Because currently this does nothing, okay? If we run our code here, then we can see that there's nothing here, okay? Because we haven't actually added anything to our menu. We could go ahead and directly add in something like this. Label is equal to file, command is equal to self.func, okay? This is a dummy function that I created over here because we're not going to be implementing any functionality. We're just going to be doing the GUI part, okay? So here you can see file over here now. This is our menu, okay? It's automatically added to the top of the screen, top left corner. And if I click on this, dummy placeholder gets printed out. Okay, this is our function. So this is not exactly what we're looking for, because currently we want to make a drop-down menu. When I hover over this, a drop-down menu should appear. Okay, that's what we want. So I'm just gonna remove this. What we're gonna do now is create a new menu. Okay, and then we're going to just create it the same way, and we'll add the commands into this menu. Okay, so something like a new file. Like what kind of commands does a file menu have? You can look at some over here in VS Code's editor. New file, open file, save, etc. is equal to self.func over here as well. And then I'll just duplicate this a few times. Open file, save file. All right. And then what we're gonna do now is add this, okay? Add this new menu that we created into our main menu. We're not gonna do add command. We're gonna do add cascade. Add cascade is used to add in a menu. We're gonna give this menu a label. Okay, we'll call it file menu, and then we're going to pass in the menu object, file menu. And if I run this code now, uh, oh wait, hold on. Here we're going to do menu is equal to this actually. You can't put a argument after a keyword argument like that. Okay, so I'm gonna run this code now. And now if I click on this actually, this appears. Okay, all of this. And this is something rather weird. I'm just gonna disable that using tier off is equal to 0. Okay, if you click on that thing, the menu basically deattaches. I don't like that, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, now if you click on these, the function gets, executed. Now, this is only half of what we want to do. I want to show you now how to nest a menu within this menu. Okay, I mean, technically you already know how. I actually just showed you how to do it. We created one menu, then added another into it. But just for the sake of properly getting this concept in your heads, we're going to create one more menu. Okay, to achieve this kind of effect, where you go here and then you have another menu over here. Okay, so I'm going to create a new menu, and this time I'll call it the export menu. Okay, and over here I'm just going to duplicate this stuff, mostly similar. Okay, and then just change this with export menu. Okay, and here I'll do export as PNG. Okay, typical options that you would see. Import as SVG, export as JPG, and then we're going to add this. But we're not going to add it into our main menu. We're going to add it into our file menu. Okay? We're going to add the export menu into the file menu, which gets added into our main menu. Okay? And if I run this code now and show you this file menu, you click on this, it's going to show you new file, open file, save file, then export menu. And if you just hover over this, it's going to show you this. Okay. And clicking on it will again trigger that function that we linked it to. Okay. And again, you can go ahead and nest another menu. You can add another menu into export menu. You can do whatever you want. Okay, this is the basic gist of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There isn't really much to it. Once you learn how to do this, you're basically set. Okay.